Alright, Forex market guys, back with the second one for the day. We got the pound versus the New Zealand dollar, which is coming back. It's coming back from the dead, literally. We were ready to give up on this one. Since it broke below 92.97, we were a little bit concerned. However, we didn't change the stop loss level. Stop loss level was, it remained in place. We kept it right where it was at the beginning, 91.50. We didn't change that, and we were pretty close to get stopped out, as you can see, right? Just a couple of days ago, price was right there. But we felt that, this was not a legit breakdown. We felt that this was price just flirting around here with that 92.97, and we knew that we should be looking at this from not even the weekly perspective, but rather the monthly perspective. Check this out. Same level, right? 92.97. Now we can see the big reaction coming from the monthly perspective. And also we have to remember, price is coming off the very edge of that system. It's an old system. We've placed this system around the beginning of 2021, the beginning of the year. Ever since price came off that big support at 86.95 right there, we knew that we got ourselves here a reliable, support and resistance system. So when it started to turn around and went back up, we felt that, it produced that 1-2. It's going to produce the third one, and it's going to go back all the way, to the upper section here. 99.70 is the first level that represents that upper section, and it was on its way, right? There was an explosive move last month, but it wasn't enough to push price action all the way. And then of course came this month, big technical correction. That's how we feel about this move this month, and I think that it's a good, it's an important event right now to see price action spiking that 92.97, because that really supports our overview, our outlook here on the situation. Like I said, I think this is just a technical correction. So if price finds a lot of support here, it's going to start to pull back up, and it's going to come back up, and it's going to basically just resume the original move. The original move in the upside trend started around December 2020. And I think price action has some unfinished business, and it needs to come back all the way to 99.97, not to mention beyond that point, taking the previous high, right, around 202.70. So it's not surprising, not to us, and we're not surprised price coming back up. I think it's gonna be consistent with this upside move, and it's going to continue to push forward. As you can see, we got ourselves here that trade that we've entered a while ago. If price will continue to push forward, we're going to see that as a green light to proceed, and basically we'll come back to start to build up that position properly. We got a long way to go. 99.70, 199.70, right? So we're talking about more than 600 pip in the pipeline here, guys. By the way, if price will remain like this, spiking that big 92.97 from above and end up positively, we're probably going to be encouraged by that, and we're going to throw in one more trade straight up tomorrow morning. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, interesting stuff. Pound New Zealand dollar coming back from the dead. Nice comeback here, guys. We're definitely going to be following up on this one. So that's about that for today. We'll be back tomorrow as usual. Take care.